Hello everyone, how are you today? Now I will use discarded plastic cans to grow eggplant for high yield. Please subscribe to the channel, leave comments below the video, and visit my channel often. Thank you very much. To have eggplant seedlings, I will first sow the seeds. After putting soil in a suitable nursery pot, put the eggplant seeds in and spray water evenly. Leave the nursery pot in a cool place. In family meals, eggplant not only provides nutrition for us, but also has the effect of reducing cardiovascular disease, losing weight. Today I will choose some discarded laundry detergent cans, cut one side of the can and punch holes in it to prevent the plant from getting waterlogged. For automatic watering, I used a 300 milliliter plastic bottle, cut off the top and punched a hole to attach a water-absorbent towel to slowly supply water to the plants. I use a good amount of organic fertilizer mixed with soil to grow eggplants. Organic fertilizer not only provides nutrients for plants, but also has high antibacterial properties and is environmentally friendly. After 7 days, the eggplant seeds I sowed had germinated well and I was able to plant them. After planting, remember to pour water into the automatic watering can to help the plant have stable moisture to help the roots grow better. The eggplant is about to flower after 20 days of planting. Now I will take care to provide enough energy for the plant to grow. Worm castings are great for plants. They provide long-term nutrients, so I use them to fertilize each plant. To keep the plant standing firm against weather changes without leaning or falling, and to allow the roots to grow well, I will add soil to each plant, which can help with better metabolism. When the eggplant is 1 month old, it will flower. At this stage, the plant is very sensitive to weather, pests, and insects. We will take care of it so that it has enough energy to flower and produce bigger, more beautiful fruit. To promote flowering and fruiting, I use liquid organic fertilizer made from marine fish. The fertilizer is high in energy and can be absorbed by plants immediately without harming humans. To promote flowering and fruiting, I use liquid organic fertilizer made from marine fish. The fertilizer is high in energy and can be absorbed by plants immediately without harming humans. After many days of taking care of the eggplants, I have achieved results. Now I can use them for daily meals and as gifts. Thanks for watching my video. Remember to live and subscribe to my channel. Good luck.